big old ribeyes. I'm gonna show you how to reverse sear them. We are going to do a little marinade, brine, whatever, with some Uncle Steve's SPG. Now this is gonna really give it a nice bark on there, a nice coating, tons of good flavor, salt, pepper, garlic, all you need for steak, right? Now we're gonna let that chill out for a little bit, let it come up to temp on the counter here. We're not putting it back on the fridge. You know, the salt in that SPG is gonna help sweat it out. So we're just gonna let it set for a little bit and then, you know, kind of absorb those flavors. And these are big old steaks, so we gave them a heavy duty coat of seasoning, okay? Don't be afraid to season your meat. Okay, it's a big deal. To make sure we don't mess up these steaks, we got our twin TempSpikes in there, the Bluetooth wireless thermometer. Feel like it sounds like an infomercial, but guys, I swear by these TempSpikes, especially in that wood fire grill and the oven behind me here too, guys. It makes it foolproof, okay? Hey guys, I want to throw this in the video right quick. There's a Prime Day deal going on, October 6th to the 12th. This bad boy is $99.99. And then they're gonna throw in that Lightning Instant Read for free. So you buy one of those, you get one of those for free. Hit the link in my description, take advantage of that deal. I'm gonna take these steaks to 125, just using smoke. So we're gonna set the wood fire grill at 250 on the smoker setting. Just let it slowly come up to temp with that good smoke, right? And then we're gonna pull the steaks off, fire up that grill to that high grill setting. We're gonna sear off these bad boys, all right? Get them a nice crust on there. It's gonna be beautiful. So nothing left to do but get this wood fire fired up. We're gonna use a blend pellet today. It's Jack's by Jealous Devil, but any food safe blend will work fine. Guys, this is gonna be amazing. Let's get it fired up. Come on down. Get those pellets in. Turn this to the smoker setting. I had it on cold smoke for the smoked cream cheese video I did. So let's take this to 250. 1 hour's fine. It's not gonna take more than probably about a half hour, 45 minutes to come up to temp. We have our grill plate in there. Hit start, let it go through the ignition process. And yeah, guys, that smoke is rolling. Steak's about to go on. Let's go. We're done with the ignition. Smoke is rolling. Let's get our steaks on. Getting a little heart-shaped pattern for all the lovers out there. Got our TempSpikes going. We're just gonna shut it down. Let it do what it do. We'll see you in, well, when it hits 125. Guys, we're up to temp on one of them right now. It's a little over 125, and the other one's at like 120 and change. So good enough for me to pull them off, get that grill fired up. We want our steaks to finish up medium rare, and that's what's gonna happen when we get that sear on. Gonna take them to about 135, especially when we let them rest for a little bit. Let's get them off, get that grill fired up, and let's go. This is exciting. All right, come on back. Okay, guys. Let's pull these off, get them set aside. Got the little tray onto the right over here. Shut this down. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Just makes it easier. To turn it to the grill setting. It's on high, 15 minutes will be plenty. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna sear off both sides for about a minute. Hit start, let it go through the preheat, and then we'll get these steaks going. All right, y'all, we're up to temp in there. It's saying to add the food. So that is what we're gonna do. Get those steaks on there, that other one on. You give them a press. Make sure you got good contact. And that press. We'll give them about a minute. We'll adjust them. We'll swing them this way. Get those crosshatch marks. And then we'll give them a flip. Give them a little half rotate. Make sure you got that contact. And guys, these are 2 gloves. I know I get questioned all the time. This is a cotton liner. These are black nitrile gloves. I'll have links down below to both. If you want to get them, you wear them in, you know, as protection. That's why I'm holding on to this like this. Time to give them another flip. That's some beautiful marks right there. Look at that. This one a flip. Gorgeous. Give them a press. Make sure they're touching. That is some pretty looking steaks right there. Give them another rotate. Make sure you're getting that good contact. Another half a minute to a minute, and we'll pull these off. Time to get these bad boys off. Got those good crosshatch marks. We're gonna go ahead and take them inside, let them rest for about 5-10 minutes, and we'll slice in them inside. We're done. Got me a little bite right here. I mean, it's heaven. It's perfect.